Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your Etsy shop on vacation. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you run an Etsy shop, but you plan on going on vacation. How do you actually go ahead and set your Etsy shop on vacation? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Etsy. Then in the upper right hand corner, click on your profile, your account. Then click on Account Settings. Next, on this page here, you want to go ahead and scroll down, click on Settings, then click on Options, and then you're going to see this tab here that says Vacation Mode. Go ahead and click on Vacation Mode. Now, this is where you could actually go ahead and turn on your shop on vacation so that people will receive an auto reply anytime that they message you. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set your Etsy shop to vacation. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.